Did you know these interesting facts about Afra Saracoglu? She keeps a personal diary where she writes down her thoughts and daily events. This small hobby helps her in her work. Afra loves listening to music. Before filming, she charges up with the right tunes, cheerful ones for emotional episodes and lyrical ones for dramatic moments. For her role in Mrs. Fazalet and Her Daughters, she received 2 major awards, the Rising Star Award at the Pantene Golden Butterfly Awards and the Youth Award of Turkey. Her best friend is her mother, who has supported her since the very beginning of her career, always praising and motivating her. The actress is afraid of spiders and snakes. She also fears failure, which she associates with her father leaving when she was a child. One of her favorite hobbies at home is playing video games. She has admitted that gaming helps her relax. She enjoys volleyball and modern dance, which help her stay in shape. At 168 centimeters tall, her weight is only 52 kilograms. The second season of Golden Boy, Yoli Kepkini, premiered in September 2023, and in 2024, viewers are still following the tangled web of lies surrounding the characters. There are rumors that some questions will remain unanswered in the finale, and the creators are considering a 3rd season. The final episode of the 2nd season is set to air on June 7, 2024, and only time will tell if the series will continue. Meanwhile, as fans wait for Afra to post new photos with Mert, she keeps them entertained with other content. She shares behind-the-scenes moments, childhood pictures, and snapshots that prove she has always been a natural beauty. Lately, fans have been speculating that Afra might be pregnant with Mert Ramazan Demir's child. In recent footage, she appears slightly fuller, but this could simply be due to an unfortunate outfit choice. Some fans believe the couple has secretly married and is now preparing for parenthood. Is there any truth to these rumors, or is it just another wave of gossip? Time will tell.